South Africa woke up and said that foreigners must go. I keep asking myself,
how una dey my people, una welcome again. This na Abeg Talk TV and my name na Mark Viz. South Africa, these people because say that they, I don't know that because say snow they fall there, I be because say white men they there. Now they call they claim superior say they pass us. Well, in case una don't know, South Africa don't say they don't want to see any foreigner for their country. They say they don't want to see any foreigner for their country. Which be the foreigner way they mean? They don't want to see Nigerians, they don't want to see Ghanaians, they don't want to see people from Zambia, they don't want to see anybody black like them inside here. What they wonder, your own brothers again, you can't say you don't want to see them for your country again. According to say if they want call foreigners, say they say people from, we don't want people from US, we don't want people from London, we don't want people from Rome. Now your own neighbors, your own brothers, now they say you don't want to see them for your house. What did they do? I be the shit, they don't flush toilet. Wait. Because recently, just after the African Cup of Nations, now they play ball, after they don't play ball, now I don't know what happened. Immediately when Nigeria defeat South Africa, that's the Super Eagles of Nigeria defeat Bafana of South Africa. Now South Africa people come provoke. Say wait, see. In fact, every small thing, Nigeria they win us, every small thing. You know, say the next day now we begin record deaths of one Nigerian boy with a key. After the one Nigerian boy, one other Nigerian woman died inside hotel room, two inside for South Africa. Again, still that same week. After the match too, one celebrity for South Africa, where they call Aka. That guy come post for his Twitter handle, say, Yvette provoke, say, why they say Nigeria, they win us for everything. Must they win us for everything? That statement alone, they tell you, say, it's a xenophobic statement. Me, I don't know if you even pronounce and whether. Because the thing long. I don't know even how they even think that kind of thing. Think what me, I don't pronounce. Think and they do one. Now they provoke again. I can't wonder why they say celebrity, we suppose they represent peace, they represent progress for a country. Now they say, now him, they talk that kind of thing. Now this kind of talk where person go talk, now they cause problem before you know, brother and brother begin fight. When they go ask South Africa, people say, okay, why? Which the BBC reporter when they ask them, come ask the South Africa people say, okay, you mean say me? You know say me now? I be London woman, I'm a foreigner. I be you mean say you two you go kill me with machete? The guys they say no, you know, not be foreigner, no they do bad thing. I don't understand. So now we can't do bad thing, we Nigerians and we your fellow African brothers now can't do bad thing for your country. And South African people. The normal characteristic of a South African person is that they're lazy. They know they hustle, you understand? They don't they want put and do what they want to do to make the money. They just want make everything they come easy, small for them. They want soft work. Now we come South Africa, come they do the hard work. They come say will they collect their job? Will they collect their women? What if pay me nothing? Will they collect their women? South African women don't even find. They don't find. Say they be ugly. Who again Nigerian girls? The ones who will get here will never even chop them finish. You just be like say you get puff for her, you never chop your puff finish, you go outside, go dey chop person akara. You get chicken for house, you no chop your chicken no. Now outside you go dey chop egg. Which kind of thing be that one? Say they will collect their women, they will collect their job. Which job? In fact, all the businesses where they get for South Africa, now one man business, and now mostly foreigners. That's foreigners. Since they say na foreigners Nigerians, now mostly Nigerians. They get the shops there. So which job did they collect? I mean, they can't collect. No. Nigerian man will go there, open shop, begin sell something. And you know how Nigerian people they do when they come, they dominate. God bless them with business. You can't they provoke. You know go hustle. I beg South Africa more get sense because this xenophobia attack don't they happen tete. In fact, countries where they know about this xenophobia attack, if you don't know the meaning, xenophobia attack or xenophobia means when you don't like to see foreigners in your place and you want them to go, you want to kill them, that is xenophobia. And the place where it happen now for Rome, for USA, for in fact all those Germany, for Russia, all those places where now white people dey. Don't be something that they associate with black man. Now black man will turn another black man say you too black. They disturb us, leave my place. You know, make sense. We supposed to come together. no be the same, because I come dey wonder wetin Nelson Mandela fight for. This man fight for blacks, he fight for us wey be black people wey white people dey maltreat. Wetin Martin Luther King Jr. fight for? He fight for all of us blacks. We, in fact, no be our parents now they carry go London, go America that in those early slave trade, you do them anyhow. No be us. And they come fight, all these people come fight for us, our freedom, fight for all these things. Now we too come back again, come they fight ourselves. And the Igbo then go come fall down, they for one place, they look, they laugh. And you know say anything they pain us, they sweet them. As in they pain us, they sweet them. And we too, when they mumu, they do it. And you know say for all this kind of attack, they benefit. That's the truth of the matter. So I beg, when help me tell the South African people, say we know they collect your job, we know they collect your wife. Now who hustle go shop? And now who work? Bible say, I ain't go shop, I ain't go see food, shop, no food for a lazy man. If you lazy, you no go shop now. No cause say they collect your job. I beg, I go like hear from Una. Una tell me how Una feel about this xenophobia attack, all this topic who they talk about, and tell me whether you with South Africa, or if you get brother with South Africa, whether how them they handle this xenophobia attack for their as they did there, looking for no. And I beg everybody, I beg all of us now one, all of us with Africa, we are one, we are together, whether black, whether white, we dey together. I beg me no come dey kill your brother, all of us are the same parents we come out from, and we come this world to come survive. No be to kill your brother till you say you won't survive. You need to survive on your own, and you need. In fact, all the religion they preach peace. I beg, may everybody use small. They follow your brother. Forgive and forget. If they win you for march, may not to pay you. The next time come back again. Una go train well. Una come back. Una win us. You know go pay us. Una understand? All right. Because they say talk like this. What to go do at Nigeria people? I beg, make I come they go no time again. I beg, Muna they follow us on top our website www.abeg.ng. They collect the latest breaking news as they drop out they cook and boil and drop a servant for Una. Until I come back your way next time. My name is Mavis. They were au revoir.